Today I'm going to talk about how to factor the polynomial by using the perfect square trinomial formula. Now let's take a look at this formula. We have a square plus 2ab plus b square. If we have this format, we're gonna have a complete square, a plus b square. Okay, and this is the well-known formula. We call it perfect square trinomial formula. Now, from this formula, on the left-hand side, we need focus these three terms. I'm gonna mark down the first term, a square, the second term, b square, and the third term I'm gonna mark down as red color. Okay, that's the third term. So the key part for this formula is try to figure out whether it's a, whether it's b, whether the middle term can be written down as 2ab. Okay, now let's take a look this specific example. Now, from this example, we have three monomials. Okay, monomials, and we can easily identify these three terms. This the first term, this the second term, and this is the third term. As we can see from the formula here, for the first term and the second term we need to write down as square format, right? So for the x square, we already have square format, right? We just copy it. And for the second term, 121, we can easily tell that guy can be written down as 11 square, right? 11 square. So from this formula, we can tell a is x, b is 11. Okay, we already fixed the first term and the second term. Now we're gonna go to the third term, where the third term can be written down as 2ab, right? 2ab. Now let's take a look. 22x, we can factor the 22, right? Divided by 2, so we have 2, and the left one gonna be 11x. Okay, so we're gonna see 11 is what? 11 is exactly b. X is what? Is a. That is 2ab. Just fit this formula, we find the third term can be written down as 2ab, and the first term and the second term can be written down as a square and b square. So that means what? That means this polynomial can be written down as perfect square trinomial, right? Equals a plus b square. So we have ax plus 11 square. That's it. Now we're gonna use the same strategy to solve these polynomials. Okay, so how to factor these polynomials? We're gonna follow the same strategy. The first step, we're gonna identify the a square and b square, or the first term and the second term. Okay, and then we're gonna try to test the third term, whether the third term can be written down as 2ab, right? Now for the first term and the second term, we try to write down as square format. So here we already have x squared, which is copy it. And for the second term, 100, we can tell 100 can be written down as 10 square format. Right? So now compare the formula. We can see a is what? A is x. Right? A squared, a is x. B squared, b is 10. Right? B is 10. Now we're gonna verify whether the third term can be written down as 2ab, right? 2ab. So let's take a look. 20x can be written down as what? We can factor 20. That is 2 times 10x, right? 2 times 10x. And here the 10 can be written down as b, x is a, that's exactly 2ab, right? So that means this polynomial can be written down as a squared plus 2ab plus b squared, and that guy would give you a plus b, a is x, plus 10 squared. That's it.